Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to animate the cartoon pictures. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to learn how to create their own animated cartoons. So without further delay, let's get started. For this I am going to use animated drawings application which can be used totally free. The first step to animating a cartoon picture is to sketch out your character. You can use traditional pencil and paper or a digital drawing. For this cartoon character I am using paintbrush tool in the Microsoft Windows. Once you sketch up the cartoon character, or if you have a ready-made cartoon character, next step is to upload to the application. Now I am going to upload my cartoon character. Once you upload it and click next, it will scan your cartoon character. Since this application is under development stage, they are asking our consent to use our drawings for their development purposes of this application. Now scale the box according to your drawing. Application automatically draws the moving objects of your picture. Now the animated cartoon character is ready for use. There are different methods to animate your cartoon character. Those are dancing, funny, jumping and walking animations. You can try out any of those according to your needs. Once you finish, you can download the animated video. By creating more and more video clips with different cartoon characters, you can make a good video with voiceover. After creating the animated video clip, you can share it also. Get the use of this and make your cartoon character animated well. So friends, if you learned something from this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have a comment, please comment it below. Until we meet in another video, goodbye to you all. Thank you.